Hello everyone, this is Phone Arena and today we'll guide you through the new stuff that Symbian Anna has to offer. And for this purpose, we have the Nokia X7, one of the first handsets shipping with Symbian Anna, and we have the Nokia N8, the current flagship of the company, which features a previous edition of Symbian. And the first major change that you'll notice, of course, that's the icons. In the Symbian Anna, you have rounded icons which look much nicer. We have to admit that's a minor addition, but still we like it, and you can check it out for yourself. Another thing that has changed in Symbian Anna here on the right hand side is the fact that it supports real-time scrolling between home panes. Let's try and demonstrate this on the Nokia X7, see how the interface follows my finger, so you can actually see just part of the screen. And here on the Nokia N8, you don't get to see just part of the screen. It's not a real-time transition. One of the most anticipated features coming in Symbian Anna is the new browser. Browser 7.3, as it's called, comes with a very clean interface, very down to the point. Here we have this button right here, which brings up the menu. You have the back key, and up top you have your address bar. And see just how much more space the old browser occupies. So if you just try to go to an address, it occupies nearly half of your screen. And here you can just quickly tap on the address bar and just punch in your address where you want to go. In addition, this browser 7.3 supports hardware acceleration and HTML5, Adobe Flash, and CSS3. So it's definitely a much needed addition to Symbian Anna. The gallery application has also been reworked in the latest version of Symbian, and here you have support for albums and tags. So for example, if you tap on an image right here, so we'll just quickly select, go back to the main application and try to select a couple of images, and then you can select different tags and albums that you can add, and that's a feature missing on the previous editions of Symbian. One of the features that were sorely missing from previous editions of Symbian is the portrait QWERTY input. Here it comes and it's realized pretty neatly in Symbian Anna. The only major difference in comparison to other platforms is the positioning of the numbers. They are located in 3 separate rows, and in other platforms, of course, they're just one single row. But except for that, typing works seamlessly and much faster than the numeric keypad you have on previous Symbian editions, like this one here on the Nokia N8. The calendar application has also changed in the latest version of the platform, and here you can see that we have a dual pane layout on the Nokia X7 right here, and on the right hand side you have your latest meeting. You can tap on it to get all the details, and you can quickly look at other events when you tap on the calendar, which is pretty neat. A neat feature in the mail application in Anna is the ability to mark a couple of your emails. So you just you can then mark them as read and read, or assign them to a folder right here, and you can just quickly do this. So options, you go to mark all, for example, and you can quickly select all of your emails. Symbian Anna is a major update to Nokia's platform, and even though it fails to bring it up to date with contemporary platforms like Android or Apple's iOS, it does offer a lot of new features. For an in-depth look at all of them, check out phonearena.com. Thanks for watching.